Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
We say that it can be an entry condition or an exit condition and specify conditions on a step within the business process, right? You can put in multiple conditions using the AND or logic. And we also looked at some common rules, like based on management level, based on location, right? Amount, threshold, etc. We talked about this yesterday. So let's try to create a rule. So we go to the related actions business process, and I will say you should use maintain step conditions, right? Maintain step conditions. Now there is a reason I ask you for that. If you use the option create condition rule, it will allow you to create a condition rule, but it will not use it automatically. You have to anyway come to maintain step conditions to use it. Right. So, instead of doing two options, I prefer going to maintain step conditions. Okay. Please remember this. Maintain step conditions. If I click on that, it asks you, okay, what is the effective date? That is fine. And you say entry conditions, at which I mean for what condition will you enter this particular step? Entry conditions means if all conditions are true, the step will be entered. So what? They will trigger that particular step if all conditions are met, right? It's right here for your help. If all conditions are true, the step will be entered. So let's try that. I will add a row. Okay. If the rule is existing, you can select that. Otherwise, you can create a condition rule. You can select from the existing rules, or you can create a condition. So you have the option here. That's why I say you do not need to create it separately. Okay. I mean, do not use a create condition rule option, use the maintain step conditions, right? So what is our rule? If, let's say, a proposed country is UK, right? Why do I say proposed? Because we have not hired the worker yet, right? We are in the process of hiring. Once the process is complete, yes, then it will be an employee. Okay. So you will see here location, country proposed. Let's see. Country for location proposed, right? This is the field that we are going to use. And does this screen remind you of something else that we have done previously? This page. Is it the grade profile? Eligibility rules. Compensation eligibility rules. And at that point, I said that we will see this over and over again. Right? We will see this in the future as well. So here it is. We are seeing it one more time. So can you help me to write this country for location proposed? And then what happens in the relational operator? Anyone frequently used. Yes. Any any of the selection list, and what should be this value United Kingdom, right? We did this before, so yes. So click on OK. And OK again. So let's see what happened. Oops. Alright. Okay. So now you see that there is this if condition, if proposed country is UK, right? If the proposed country is UK, then it will enter this particular step, which is proposed compensation hire to be done by the HR partner. Correct. Are we done? Have we ensured that this step B will happen only once? Have we ensured that this will happen only once? Or do we still need to take care of this alert? This alert might keep coming, but have we ensured? What do you think? Look at it closely, and then tell me. Let's test it out, right? Let's test it using some conditions. Let's say my worker is in New York, which is a US location. So will the first step be executed? Let's call it as B1 and B2. Okay, just, let me call it as 1, and let me call this as 2. So if I ask you, okay, which one would be executed if my location is UK? Sorry, if my location is New York in the US, well, this first B2 will be executed. Will B1 be executed? No. Right. If B1 will not be executed. Now let me ask you this. If my location is London, then what happens? B1 will definitely be executed, right? B1 will be executed. We agree. What about B2? B2 will also be executed because it doesn't have any condition. Absolutely. Yes. You are right. B2 will also be executed because we don't have anything stopping it. Right. We do not have any condition for that. So for all the hires, B2 will also be executed. Anybody who did not get that or anybody who has doubts on that, it's okay to have doubts. We understand this at B, the first one, the B1 that we are seeing, where the proposed country is UK, that step will only be triggered for my UK employees. Are you okay with that? With that part? Everybody okay with that? Anybody who is not okay? Only for UK, right? Now what about the B2 step? What about the B2 step? Other than UK. Other than UK. So you are saying other than UK. So it will be for that. What about for UK? What about for UK employees? B1, why not B2 as well? Yes. Because there's a condition applied to B1. We have a condition applied to B1. Do we have any condition applied to B2? No, not yet, right. We are allowing everybody. So what happens if my location is actually UK? So it will go for both the steps. Isn't it? Because there is nothing stopping. The first one is for UK. It finds a match, goes to UK. The second one is also a match, because it's allowing everybody. Now, which one will it choose? Or it will lead to inconsistent results, which we don't want. So what should we do here? We should give another condition. Condition for B2. And what should we say there? Not in the list. Absolutely.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.